Next point will be presented by Wiwi Agustina.
Hello everyone, my name is Wiwi Agustina. I will discuss the material number operation and inequalities. Just go to the material, let's go. Material the first number operation. There are 4 number operations. The first addition, the second subtraction, the third multiplication, the fourth division. Let's discuss one by one action. When we add a quantity or a number with other number we assign plus, the result of operation is called sum. B. Subtraction. When we subtract a quantity or a number with other number we add minus, the result of operation is called difference. C. Multiplication. When we multiply a quantity or a number with other number we add cross, the result of operation is called product. D. Division. When we divide a quantity or a number with other number we add symbol, the result of operation is called quotient. Example for addition. 12 plus 13 equals 25. Example for subtraction. 25 minus 12 equals to 13. Example for multiplication. 6 cross 7 equals to 42. Example for division. 42 divided 6 equals to 7. The second inequalities. There are some symbols used to describe the inequalities. The first is not equal to. The second is greater than. The third is less than. The fourth is greater than or equal to. The fifth is less than or equal to.
Now, I would like to move on to the next point, fraction, decimal, percentage, and power. Now, I would like to explain about fraction. A number expressed in form of A over B in which B is not equal to 0. The number A is called numerator and number B is called denominator. Based on the numerator and the denominator, there are two kinds of fraction. First, proper fraction and 2, improper fraction. Okay, A. Proper fraction. A fraction that has the numerator less than 2 denominator. A over B, A less than B. For example, 3 over 4 is read 3 over 4 or 3/4. 1 over 2 is read 1 over 2 of a half. 1 over 4 is read 1 over 4 or a quarter. Next, B. Improper fraction. A fraction that has the numerator greater than the denominator. A over B, A greater B. For example, 7 is read over 7 over 4. 3 over 2 is read 3 over 2. 11 over 6 is read 11 over 6. Okay, next topic, decimal. Another way to write fraction is decimal. A decimal is fraction whose denominator is 10 or power of 10. In decimal, the dot called decimal point is used to separate the whole number part from fractional part. The number of digits after the decimal point shows the number of decimal place. The number of decimal place corresponds the number of zeros in denominator. Example: 1/2, 5/10 equal 0.2 and is read 0.5. Next example: 2/3 equal 0.6666 and it is read 0.6 recurring. Okay, the next topic is percent. A percent is 100 part of something or fraction whose denominator is 100. So, percent is another way to express fraction. Example: 1/2 equal 50/100 equal 50%. Means a half is equal to 5%. Next example: 3/4 equal 75/100 equal 75%. It means a half is equal to 75%. Okay, next topic is power. The basic idea of power of number tells how many times a number is repeatedly multiplied. Generally, power of a number is defined as the following way: a to the power of n equal a times a times a times a times times a. That means one number a is multiplied n times. In this case, a to the power of n is read a to the power of n. Another way to express this is the n of a. Pay attention of this following example: 5 to the power of 3 equal 5 times 5 times equal 125. Is read 5 to the power of 3 equals 5 times 5 equal 5 times 5 equals 125, or 125 is third power of 5. Second example: 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. Is read 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, or 32 is fifth power of 2.